Ladies and gentlemen, it appears as if I'm finally live. That's right, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you from the Modern Wall Street studio here in the financial district of the world, the financial capital of the world, the Big Apple, 48 Wall Street, right here in Lower Manhattan. And yes, we're doing something a little bit different right now. As a matter of fact, we're on Facebook Live. If you're wondering why I happen to be dressed like a hipster, the truth is you haven't seen me on camera for a few days because I've been working on all of this technical stuff that you're watching right now. Hopefully this goes off without a hitch. And hopefully this becomes a regular part of the Modern Wall Street lineup. More closing bell happy hours in live as well as more weekly live reports. But before we say anything else, let's just get down to the nitty gritty, right? It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, well, it's past 4 o'clock. The markets, they're already closed. You want to see what happened in the markets today? Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a live happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they closed mostly higher this Wednesday, but the exact same cannot be said for the big board as energy managed to see some gains and investors also took in economic data and the start of the United Kingdom's, let's just call it divorce from the European Union. And that's exactly where we begin across the pond. Overseas, Britain's ambassador to the European Union, Tim Barrow, handing the official letter triggering Article 50 to European Council President Donald Tusk. Not Donald Trump, Donald Tusk. This therefore begins the country's 2-year exit process from the European Union trading bloc. It all begins today. Meanwhile, on the data front here in the U.S., in economic news, weekly mortgage applications, they held flat. At the same time, pending home sales figures, they showed a 5.5% increase for the month of February. Meanwhile, the positive mover, the energy sector today, more specifically crude oil, after weekly data from the EIA managed to show a smaller than expected inventory build as U.S. crude rose nearly 2.5%, $49.51 a share to close out the session. Well, $49.51 a barrel, that is. And with that stated, we have the British pound trading mixed against the U.S. dollar, and me wearing a yellow polo, a green wool hat, and going blind from the lights in my face with the glasses reflection. You have yourself a session right now where 9 stocks on the upside for every 5 decliners. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the more than halfway point of the trading week. And with that stated, kick back, relax, enjoy your evening, and keep in mind that soon all closing bell reports and more will be broadcast via Facebook Live through the Modern Wall Street page and uploaded to other servers later, includes YouTube, the Modern Wall Street website, and for Modern Wall Street saying, I hope this turns out good, even though I look like a hipster. I'm not going to lie to you, I really do. I'm James Sweeney. Enjoy your day. I'll see you guys in the morning.